Topic of the day: processing applications through payment gateway. At DPS, designated public servant, level 1, fresh no objection certificate. Case 1, fresh application, neither obtained recommendation nor obtained NOC. A. Applicant will pay the fee for the recommendation based on occupation, height and floor area. B. IC of F&ESA, designated public servant, will verify the fee and its accuracy. If OK, DPS will upload the recommendation selecting General Query plus Payment Query. This payment query will be sent to applicant, so that applicant can pay the fee on compliance of recommended safety measures, and this fee will be treated as NOC fee. If payment made by applicant is found less or more, this General Query plus Payment Query will be used for make up the fees. For example, fees to pay is 1,000 Indian rupees, but applicant paid 800 mistakenly. DPS will edit the fee section in the time of uploading recommendation as 1,200 Indian rupees, giving a remarks as additional 200 is levied as initially 800 Indian rupees paid from you, and it should be 1,000 Indian rupees. If documents are not sufficient or invalid. A. If date of inspection not given, then simply query can be made at an extra section. B. In case of date of inspection provided, go to make General Query plus without payment. Case 2. Already obtained recommendation, applying for NOC. Applicant will fill up the respective form and type the fee, but does not pay initially. A. DPS will have to check the accuracy and docs, then make General Query plus Payment Query, adding the compliance report for applicant end. B. On receipt of payment, DPS will visit an unsatisfactory compliance, forward inspection report with supportive docs to HQ for approval. That's all. Case 3. Already obtained NOC, validity expired. Here the matter is same as Case 2. 2. For issuance of guidelines for temporary structure. A. Applicant will pay the prescribed fee. B. DPS will upload the guideline as query after inspection, application disposed of. 3. For issuance of renewal of NOC. A. Applicant will pay the fee based on occupancy, height, floor area, and upload previous NOC. B. DPS will verify the fee and its accuracy along with validity of NOC and simply forward to HQ for approval. That's all.